The weather stays cold through February, or it can be relatively mild. We just never really know what the weather's going to be this time of the year. What we do know, however, is that February is a prime month for planting hardy trees and shrubs in the landscape. So many people wait until spring, April, or even May to go out and buy their shade trees or their roses or their azaleas. At that point, it's getting warm already. The poor plants are trying to send out new growth. At the same time, they're trying to settle into their new location. Buy your trees and shrubs now, get them planted this month, and they'll have weeks to settle in and make root growth before the heat of summer arrives, and that is so much easier on them. You want to know another benefit? Look around the nursery. This month, the nurseries are relatively empty. The staff is waiting to help you out and answer all your gardening questions. In April, this place will be flooded with people. You'd be hard-pressed to find staff to answer your questions. So another great benefit of gardening this time of the year is the great help you can get. And choosing the right trees and shrubs, so very important. Always ask a lot of questions at the nursery and make sure you tell them the growing conditions, where you want to plant the tree or the shrub, and what you expect from the tree or shrub, what you want them to do, and the purpose that they'll be. So don't let this cold weather stop you from heading out to the nursery. Prime time for planting shade trees, flowering trees, and shrubs. Get that done now, and then you can enjoy them when spring comes along. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.